The United Nations Environment Program defines our planet as being in a triple planetary crisis. That includes air pollution, biodiversity loss, and climate change. And guess what? Plastics contribute to all three of those. The truth is, only 9% of plastics have ever been collected to be recycled, and half of all plastic is designed to be used only once. It's no wonder the Earth looks like it's in a downward spiral. But has the world finally woken up?
Nowadays, people are looking for alternatives to petroleum, and the difference between a petroleum-based plastic and a bioplastic is that the carbon came out of the air for the bio-based plastic, and the carbon came out of the earth for the petroleum-based plastic. If you're doing it from the air to the air, it's a circular process.
The beauty of bioplastics is it can actually replace a lot of the petroleum plastics that we have now, and there is a proper end of life for that material.
Bioplastics is a word that is used to describe two different terms, beginning of life and a term for end of life.
Let's talk about plastics. They can be fossil-based or bio-based, meaning they can be manufactured from sequestered carbon, such as petroleum or natural gas, or from a plant source that is completely renewable, and they can either be non-biodegradable or biodegradable. What is most interesting is the direct transition from the old world to alternatives that are bio-based, fully biodegradable, and have all the benefits of plastics. Materials like PHA are bio-based and biodegradable, extremely versatile, and microplastic-free options. PHA is a bacterial fat molecule that biodegrades in nature.
This is an example of a PHA fork, and after you're done with it, it can home compost within a month, and it can be benign in a marine environment.
In today's world, it's important to prioritize the use of materials that can be recycled whenever possible. Moreover, we should opt for materials that can also break down in organic waste or in nature, especially in situations where recycling systems are unavailable or underdeveloped, or when products are prone to littering.
PHA has been around for almost 2 billion years. Since nature made it, nature knows how to unzip it into carbon dioxide and water. Therefore, PHA is completely not only marine biodegradable, freshwater and soil biodegradable, but that's exactly why it is industrially and home compostable.
If you can make something injection molded like this big, and you can make a whole chair out of one shot, then anything in between will likely also be possible.
We at Go PHA are advocating for natural, renewable, and sustainable materials such as PHA, whose use makes things circular and pollution-free. We can act now by ethically harnessing the potential of biological and natural resources in making bio-based products, energy, and services. We can fight plastic pollution by embracing these brilliant alternatives to plastics. The time is now to make a firm commitment. Let's put together a treaty that benefits all of us. Let's meet in Nairobi at INC3 to accomplish our goal.